60 SPF here. It doesn't rub in. Here's some stretches. Oh, pulled my hamstrings. Oh.
Oh, he's a little funny man. It is not even 9:30 and it is already a scorcher outside. It's another day working on the house and I'll show you guys what we've been up to. As you'll see behind me, my giant pile of dirt is gone because the excavator has been here for the last couple days, smoothing all of that out and backfilling around the property. After I passed that perimeter drain inspection, it was just boom, let's get this done. I also had to have the drain rock put into the bottom of the crawl space for the new radon requirements. The garage, because the garage is a slab on grade and there's no crawl space, and then the sunroom there is also slab on grade. We had to backfill it up and then pack it down with the packer. We've been packing all the dirt in and then putting the blue crush on top, which is code requirements. So for the rest of this week, we need to lay the rebar, sunroom and the garage for that concrete pad. And then we need to insulate the sunroom, insulate the crawl space, and do a vapor barrier seal on that. Now, I've been trying really hard to not use plastic or foam in this house, but my energy advisor told me I can't just insulate the floor joists with like Rockwool is what my original plan was. He said because it's a conditioned space in his new energy analysis thing that is also new, BC step energy step code is also new to the code, that he said it's really to achieve the air tightness, or I don't know, whatever. He just told me foam is going to be the best option. So I was a little upset about that, but it is what it is. It's all going to be underneath a skim coat of concrete anyways, so hopefully it won't off gas toxins into my house. And I did choose the most eco-friendly option of the foam, so that helps me feel a little bit better about that. Yeah,
I'm not super motivated today.
No, me neither.
Especially after working in the heat for 9 hours yesterday.
Yeah. Should we just quit and go swimming today?
I
booked inspection for Friday and concrete's coming Monday, so we only have like 3 days to finish all this work.
I know, that's the thing. That's the thing.
We'll get her done. We'll survive.
Okie dokes. Let's get going. Okay, I'm just gonna pull it my way just a little bit.
Alright, we finished the garage. My phone overheated and just died. It was like not having this heat, which unfortunately I wish we also could just quit, but we have help today, so we're going to work in the heat. Now that the garage is done, all the rebar is tied, and the poly is laid down for that vapor barrier, we are putting in the foam insulation on in the crawl space. And again, I didn't want to do the foam, but you have to. It's code, so I don't know. So that's what we're doing now in the heat, and then we're going to go swimming afterwards. So I'm really excited to get this foam done. required.
No notching required?
Says
Just mark it up just
okay,
a little bit here.
Just a little bit.
Like that.
After a swim break, we came back later that night to put the poly on because we knew we didn't want to do it the next day when we were in direct sunlight because the sun really reflected off of that white styrofoam and it kind of hurt the eyes. So my microphones actually happened to have not been turned on, or like something happened with the audio, so I'm going to let you guys watch us work while I give you a little bit of a voiceover explanation as to how I ended up with styrofoam in my house. So basically, under BC's new energy step code, crawl spaces are considered conditioned spaces. That means you can't just insulate the floor joists anymore and vent out your crawl space. The crawl space walls and ground have to be sealed and insulated because of the step code requirements that require the whole thermal envelope to be continuous. Because the crawl space is inside that envelope, it counts as part of the house. And after my energy advisor told me I needed to insulate the floor with foam and then put a layer of poly over top and had seal it conditionally with some other toxic stuff called acoustic sealant, I mean, that's what we did. Definitely wasn't part of the plan for my eco home, but I mean, if it's going to make my house more energy efficient and pass that blower test, and it's going to be covered with a skim coat of concrete anyways, I mean, it is what it is.